Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvia. Okay guys, so today I am here with something really new, and I got this idea when there was a wedding of my brother at my home, and it was haldi, and I decided to have flower jewelries, and I went at the shop and I saw that those are really very tacky. Not that tacky, but if it's my wedding I can wear, but if it's my brother's wedding I can't. That's my personal choice. I am a kind of person who like simple delicate things, and in flower jewelries I didn't got simple delicate thing, and it was really very big flowers and it was looking bad on me. So I figured out that why can't I DIY that thing, and I did that and it turned out really amazing. Please watch this full video and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay connected with me. Okay guys, so without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, so I'll be taking two hoop earrings which are in golden. You can take silver as well as black one, and then this packet, not packet actually, these are two flowers, fake flowers, small little fake flowers. I have got this from Malad, that is near Crystal Plaza, that is behind Natraj maybe, I don't know exact address, but you get it's near Crystal Plaza, that's for sure, and you get a lot of such things there, and I got this for 60 rupees each. Okay, so I'll be mixing these two colors in each hoop, so let's remove one by one. Okay, so you have all the flowers stick to each other. You have to remove the paper around it and then untangle all the flowers, and it is really time consuming. But there's a trick which I found out recently. You can take a cutter, use this cutter safely, and you can just put cut over this and you can remove this paper. I hope you can see there's a paper over here. See, which is keeping all the flowers in one bunch. Okay, I'll be taking one hoop and taking one flower and wrap the flower around the hoop. So it's simple, like, let's try. Since my outfit is ochre yellow, I'll be using orange plus yellow, so let's see how it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and you guys will try, and if you're trying, don't forget to share pictures with me on my Instagram. And I just loved it. I am going to keep this and I'll be using this again and again. Yeah, that was all. And yes, I got a lot of compliments from my cousins and many of the people when I wore this. So yes, it is working and it is amazing. Do try, it's really nice. yeah, that was all for today. Don't forget to hit like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell button so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And guys, please do subscribe and stay connected with me. I do upload fashion DIY vlogs and a lot of videos, so we can connect to each other and let's become friends. Yeah, bye bye, see you in next video.